Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do a Dark Lord Spike from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing his outfit in the middle with a short line across. Turn it diagonally downwards and out on both the left and right. Turn it back diagonally inwards and downwards. A line across in the middle point right there. Above that line, I'm gonna draw a line upwards off center on the left and another one on the right side. Above that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line from the middle point off center upwards to the right and another one on the left side. On the right side of that shape, I'm gonna draw at the upper corner a curved line out to the right, turn it diagonally up at the outer corner, curved line downwards at that point, and a line across to the middle point and slightly downwards. Above that line, I'm gonna trace the same line again across, and I'm gonna trace the same line on the right corner right there. Above that, another similar set of line at that point, and above that set of line on the left corner, I'm gonna draw a tilted rectangular shape at that point, and another one on the right side of that. Copy the whole thing on the left side. Now above that, I'm going to draw his collar on the left with a curved line upwards. At that point, flare it out to the left, sharp turn diagonally downwards to the left at that point with a curved line downwards and slightly to the middle point. Repeat the same set of shape on the right side. In the middle of the collar, I'm going to draw his head with an arch curved line across. And above that curved line, I'm going to draw his horn on the left with a triangle shape. And repeat that on the right side of the head. Now for his hair, I'm going to draw off center to the left, a curved line upwards and out. Turn it back inwards to the middle point at the upper corner, sharp turn back downwards on the right side, and mirror the same shape of the hair on the right side right there. Repeat the same shape of the hair on the left corner right here, and another one on the right side. Below the hair, I'm going to draw a V shape on his forehead and another V shape above that. From the ending point at the side, diagonal line downwards and on the left side as well. Fill that in with black color. Below that, I'm going to draw his eye on the right with diagonal line upwards off center to the right. From the ending point on the right, I'm going to draw a semicircle line across to the inner corner of his eye. Fill that in with black color. Mirror the same shape of the eye on the left side. Now below the eye in middle point, I'm going to draw his mouth with an upside down V shape. And I'm going to thicken that V shape. For his hand, below his armor on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally down and out. Curved line across at the ending point, turn it downwards, diagonal turn to the right and downwards, sideways to the right, turn it downwards, sideways to the left, semicircle turn diagonally downwards at the outer corner on the left. Sharp turn back upwards with a curved line diagonally up to the ending point above. Along the right side of that shape, I'm gonna trace the same set of line along the edges, right there. Turn it sideways to the left at the upper corner and to the left at the lower corner. Inside of that shape, on the left, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the right and upwards from the lower point on the left. Turn it back out and to the left diagonally from that point. Inside of that shape on the left, I'm gonna draw a short diagonal line at that point. On the right side of that, I'm gonna draw a small rectangular shape at that corner. On the right side of that, I'm gonna draw a strap with a curved line across to the right and another similar curved line at this lower point. A line downwards at the ending point on the right. Below the wrist, I'm gonna draw his thumb on the right with a curved line downwards, flare it slightly out to the right and turn it back to the left. Semicircle turn to the left at that corner. Above the thumb on the right corner, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line right there. Turn it diagonally down to the left. Semicircle turn upwards. Curved line slightly to the right. On the left side of that, a curved line out at this lower point. Turn it upwards with a curved line and slightly inwards to the right at the upper corner. I'm gonna repeat the same shape of the arm on the right side. Now for his belt, I'm going to draw across a curved line at this lower point at the side of his hand right there. Turn it downwards on both sides. Another curved line at the lower point across to the right. Inside of the belt, I'm going to draw from the top left corner, diagonal curved line across to the right and slightly downwards. Another similar curved line on the left at this lower point to the right. Above the belt at the side, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards and another one on the right side. In the middle point above that, a line upwards, and on the left and right side of that line, a similar line upwards at that corner. For the inner line of his arm, I'm going to draw at the side a curved line diagonally downwards to his wrist. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. Below the belt, I'm going to draw in the middle point a curved line downwards, flare it out to the left. Curved line across to the left, turn it back upwards with diagonal curved line to the lower point of the belt. I'm going to trace the same set of line at this lower point along the edges, and in the middle point right here upwards to the belt. Mirror the same thing on the right side. middle, I'm gonna draw a line across at the lower point. Below that off center to the left, I'm gonna draw a line downwards. Turn it sideways to the left. Turn it back upwards on the left corner right there. Mirror the same thing on the right side. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!